Hey guys, it's Mike from Make Time Online, and I'm just going to show you what it's like to actually go inside the platform because I remember what it was like to kind of get here. I'm just wondering what you're getting yourself into, so I'll just quickly show you. All you need to do, you'll have a page similar to this. It might look a little bit different. Pop in your email address, and then from here you can just fill out your details. Choose your username. I tend to choose something that is kind of similar to yours as possible. So I would probably just put in your full name if that is an option, and then obviously just create any old password, something that you can remember ideally, and then get started. So once you're inside, you will see a message from Kyle, who's a co-founder. It's Kyle and Carson, who started Wealthy Affiliate back in 2005, and it just gives you a quick run through of how to get started. It shows you how to set up your profile, where your dashboard is, how to access the training, how to build a website, where your notifications are, and how you can get help. It's all there at your fingertips. And so I'm just going to show you here. You can see obviously this is where you can, the first thing that I would do is just quickly go into here where you can upload an image. So you click on that, you can stick an image in, you can add a description, and then also add in your goals, which is really important just to get yourself set in the right frame of mind just when you're starting. So you can sort of look back on these goals and see what, like how long it takes you to achieve them, and give yourself some targets. Here we'll just come up with some things. This is where you can get notifications, and so I will send you a message. It's just an automated message when you go into your profile, and I'll send you actually these over the next few days just to make sure that you're comfortable with the program. And I've got here as well the Jumpstart Guide, which is what I would recommend you do in your first 7 days inside Wealthy Affiliate, because I know how when you're using a new platform it can be a little bit weird and overwhelming. The main place that you're always going to go to though is training, because on here this is where you can actually access your training. So you can go on here, getting started, and your first 7 days particularly, the real aim is just to get you understanding how to make money online. So if you're completely new to it, it will show you how to do it. How people do it. It'll show you how to choose a niche. It will show you how to build your own website. You'll actually be able to build a website completely for free within here. And there's videos in here explaining everything. You can.
Hey everyone, Kyle here from Wealthy Affiliate. Today we are going to be
you can flick through the videos, pause them. You can change the speed of the videos. There's text to go along with it as well. But the best thing about it is there's these tasks, these sort of step-by-step process. So you literally just watch the video, watch the training, and tick off the things as you go. By the end of this week, you'll actually be able to have your own website set up. You'll understand how to use WordPress and things if you've never actually used it. And you'll just really get the whole overview of how it's possible. So even if you don't ever spend a penny, at least this will show you how to do it, and you can even use the free website for as long as you want. So that's just a quick overview. One really important thing as well, just going to leave you with, is if you have any questions, if you're not sure on how to do anything, you can type it here. So for example, how to make money online. That might be a question that you have. It could be how to build a website. So you're not exactly sure how to do it, how to set up a website, and it comes up with your answers for it. That pretty much any question you ever have will be inside Wealthy Affiliate, and there's over 2 million members in here now, and everyone's adding and contributing stuff every day. So chances are your questions have already been answered, and everything that you need to know is inside Wealthy Affiliate. Anyway, hope that helps and just give you a bit of an insight of what you're going to get, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Feel free to message me anytime.